Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to download Chatgpt in mobile in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Play Store on your device first. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Search for Chatgpt. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to start the installation process. After the installation process is completed, tap on Open. Tap on Continue. Now you can sign in or log in by following the instructed steps or start chatting without logging in as well. And that is how to install Chatgpt in mobile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.